Hello guys, how to fix this page has been blocked by your administrator error on Windows 11 and Windows 10. And to fix this error, the first workaround is press Win plus R shortcut key to launch Run Command Windows. And in Run Command Windows, type the command ncpa.cpl. It will show all your available network connection. Right click on your network connection and choose properties. And here select IPv Internet Protocol version 4 TCP IPv4 and choose properties. Use the following DNS server address 88888844 and press OK. The next workaround to fix this issue is use proxy server. Right click on start button, choose settings and enable proxy settings. Go to network and internet from the left pane of setting page and scroll down and click on proxy. Thereafter tap on setups and enable use a proxy server. Turn the toggle button on against this option and finally choose save. The next workaround to fix this issue is temporarily disable your antivirus. Windows Defender Firewall or any third-party antivirus. Temporarily disable it because it may block your address. So Windows Defender Firewall, open in control panel and click on turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off and temporarily disable under private network as well as public network. After that, you must enable this feature to safety of your